I'm going to plant herb in a container. I mixed 1 part of potting soil with 1 part of compost and also add some perlite for good drainage. This is Greek oregano. This is Italian parsley. This is German thyme. I have cilantro. I love cilantro. I love cilantro for cooking. This is sage. I have this basil. This is chamomile and it's great for this. This is rosemary with sage and thyme. The only thing I'm going to add in the soil, my secret ingredient. I always like to add cinnamon powder for more strength on the root of the plants, especially when I transplant new. Okay, so I mix a little bit and we start planting. I love cilantro. I like to put cilantro in my food, in my soups, in my recipes. I just open up a little bit the bottom of the roots. Cilantro is an annual plant that after a year start giving just seeds. This aromatic herb is great for many cooking recipes and also have a lot of health benefits. Make sure to press the soil around the plant to avoid any air pockets that can kill the plant. Parsley adds great flavors to cooking recipes and also have a lot of health benefits. Parsley also is an annual plant that lives a year and after a year just leave a lot of seeds. When you need a parsley for your cooking, just cut with a scissor and they will grow again. I'm leaving a space between each plant, that way they have room to grow. Basil is an aromatic herb that is great in cooking recipes and also have a lot of health benefits. This wonderful herb is also an annual plant that after a year just give a lot of seeds too. This is Greek oregano, a perennial plant that lives for a long time and usually hard enough to survive heavy winters. You can harvest it through spring and summer. This wonderful herb has a strong aroma and is great to flavor many dishes recipes and also have many properties. This is thyme, an evergreen perennial herb plant that lives for a long time. This is a very aromatic herb that is great to have in the kitchen. This is sage, an aromatic herb that is great for food recipes. Sage is a perennial plant that lives for a long time and can handle winter. This plant doesn't like too much water. It needs a lot of drainage. I have here rosemary, sage, and thyme. I'm going to separate each plant so I can plant it. And I'm going to plant the rosemary separately because it needs different kind of soil. I'm planting this English thyme and I'm going to plant the sage. The thyme is going to expand and I have a little room that I can grow. This is another sage I have. I think it's a different variety, but it's sage. Chamomile is a perennial plant that has many health properties. Chamomile gives white flowers and is great for teas and many home remedies. I'm watering the plant when they need, maybe 2-3 times a week, depend on the soil and the weather. But don't overwater, and I put organic fertilizer once a month. Now I'm ready to plant the rosemary. I have a very coarse soil, potting soil mixed with good compost, organic compost, and some perlite, and add a little bit of cinnamon for the roots, and it's ready to plant. Rosemary is a perennial plant, very aromatic. It's great for food recipes, especially for meats, and also have a lot of health properties. Rosemary doesn't like much water. It's better to check the soil first to add water. This plant loves full sun and grows better in warm places. Thank you for watching. See you next time for more.